Good afternoon, YouTubers. This here is my mudroom. Got a few things in it, but what we're using it for is our puppy business. Right there's a whelping box I built out of salvaged wood. Got a couple other cages in here that normally go here, but I have them in the house. The reason they're in the house is because there's no heat out here. So, with a little looking on YouTube and a little shopping on Amazon, I have found a solution to deal with that. So, I'm going to come inside and show you what we have. There it is. It's in that box. I got my son there ready to open it up. Go ahead. Open it up, kiddo. Don't cut yourself. The knife is in dire need of a whetstone. Alrighty, see what we got. We got a box within a box. Oh man! Made in China. What would be in here? Yeah, kind of hold this box still, kid. Perfect. All right. There we go. All right, what we got? Oh, looky there. That looks like 10-liter tank of some sorts. And here it is, folks. We have a Chinese diesel-fired. Read that. Let's get the focus in right there. There we go. Diesel-fired air heater. This thing is 8 kilowatts, which is what I ordered. 40 watt, 12 volt. Here's your model number. If I can find it, I'll put a link in the description for all this. Comes with its own little... Why it would have a key fob. Does this thing even work? Huh. Anyway. Okay, this guy here. That would be your fuel pump. Does it have an input and an output? I sure hope it does. This guy. Okay, this is a control. Okay, so let's go ahead and drop this back in here. I'm going to try to film a video of me hooking this thing up, but I still got to make some kind of hold on. Let's set it on the table real quick. Just gonna park this over here. Oh, where'd the knife go? Oh, it's right here. All right. Well, this one did come with a T for venting. Right here, you just got some plastic fuel line. Now, I don't know if you can see, but the camera won't do this any justice. But you can see that the hole on there is very, very, I would say probably no more than 1/8 of an inch, probably smaller than that inside diameter. So this thing's a fuel sipper. Okay, and here we got some zip ties. We have hose clamps. We have a fuel filter. I'm pretty sure the fuel filter, any universal fuel filter you get at auto parts store would work in case that one gets plugged. This big guy here, that is the holder for the fuel pump. Got some big and small hose clamps and stuff like that. This guy here, this is your exhaust pipe. I believe it's flexible. Probably takes a little bit more elbow grease. These are just the outside vents. Okay. Got some vent tubing. Got 2 pieces of it. Alright. Okay, this is your inlet hose. This will take air from the outside. This will be taking combustion air from the outside to burn the fuel. This little guy here, we have a mounting plate. This goes underneath the heater. They gave you a piece of very, very thin hose. And this stuff here is to be cut for various connections on the fuel filter, the fuel tank, fuel pump, and underneath the heater, I think. This guy here, this is your air cleaner for your inlet air. This is the wiring harness. So, this will hook everything up. Is this thing fused? Yes. Yep, it definitely fused. Looks like it just takes a modern ATO fuse. Do you need to open it? Got some more goodies. You gotta be careful. This is a silencer or a muffler for your exhaust. Exhauster. Now, personally, I don't know if I'm going to use this. It does go straight through. Maybe if I talk into it. Oh, it does silence it a little bit. Here, you do it. Talk into it. Do that without. It may or may not work, folks. Anyway, so there you have it. 8 kilowatt diesel heater from China. This is probably a Webasto. Sorry about the lighting. A Webasto knockoff. Probably the same kind you'd find in a semi truck, but this is 8 kilowatts. The BTU rating for this, I did a conversion. It's about 27,000 BTUs coming out of this guy at maximum power. So later on, we'll do a once I get my mounting done and all that, whatever mount I'm going to put together, we'll go ahead and film this together and bring you all along. So again, have any questions, drop me a comment, rate, subscribe, and thank you for watching.